Ugh, I'm so bored. I have no one to fight with. And Link is just hanging all the way back here, doing something. Maybe he's bored too, but I need a friend. So... Hey guys, welcome to Toys Channel, and today we're going to more blind bags. And Finn, the battle Finn, has a new friend because I got a new Adventure Time blind bag. Let's start opening these blind bags. First off, we have something really squishy like these two, and it's the same. And we have another Splat ball, and it's a piggy this time. Peppa Pig. Start opening. Oh, there's this little thing I can make up. I didn't know that. We have to sit a piggy. Piggy. Oi. This little piggy's so cute. Wait. This little piggy went to market. This little piggy stayed home. Why? This little piggy had roast beef. And this piggy had none. This little piggy went wee. Oh, the way home. Bang. This piggy is so cute. I can't stop. Let's squish him. Whoop. He's very squishy. Very squishy. Let's see, look. Watching. Now he has these other friends. You can't talk, but smushed together. Oh, so squishy. I can't stop playing with these. Okay, listen. Okay, these are so much fun. But oh, look. Frosty the Snowman. Never mind. So squishy to play with and so sticky. Okay, next my bag. And Finn's new friend to fight with. Cha-king. It's an Adventure Time's blind bag. Whoop. And you know, the characters, we got Battle Finn on our first episode of blind bag opening. And here we have... No, we didn't. We got the same thing again. What? Oh, it's supposed to be like this. Oh, didn't know that. So, let's stand and fight with his other friend, Finn. Guess who's gonna win? Finn! Wait, it's me, right? No, it's me. It's me. Hey. Break it up. No more fighting. Let's see what happens on the next episode. See you guys later. If you like this video, please click on the like button below. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe. Watch. And on the comments below, see who's gonna win. I think Finn's gonna win. I don't know which Finn though. Bye guys.